लीडर को, अब जिस व्यक्ति को मैं मंच पे आमंत्रित करने वाली हूँ उनके लिए तो हम सबके दिलों में ढेर सारा आभार है, बहुत सारा आभार है। पहले से ही तालियां बज जानी चाहिए और बजती रहें इनके लिए तालियां। साधा सरल स्वभाव, बहुत बड़ा दिल, कोहिनूर समान, हमारे अपने चेयरमैन, इनका स्वागत करें मंच पे सुखराज जी नाहर का। नमस्ते सर, आइए प्लीज। जोरदार तालियां। I'd also like to invite on stage Shri Tejraj Ji Gulecha, Chairman Advisory. Namaste sir, आइए please. I'd also like to invite on stage Shri Rajendra Chhajer, Vice Chairman. आइए sir please. Please join us on the dais. आप सभी का मंच पे स्वागत है। And now it is an honor and a privilege to invite on the dais the Honorable Chief Guest, the Honorable Governor of Maharashtra, Shri C.P. Radhakrishnan जी। जोरदार तालियों के साथ हमारे Honorable Chief Guest का जोरदार तालियों के साथ मंच पे स्वागत करें, अभिनंदन करें। Honorable Governor sir has previously held the post of the Governor of Jharkhand, and you all are aware that he is an extremely respected figure in the world of polity and public service in Tamil Nadu. Sir, thank you for taking the time out and joining us here. जीतो के परिवार के members इतनी तालियां बजाएंगे that we express our gratitude, आभार to him appropriately. I request Honorable Chairman sir, President sir, to kindly felicitate our Honorable Chief Guest on this occasion. अपने व्यस्त दिनचर्या से इन्होंने कुछ क्षण कुछ पल हमारे लिए निकाले हैं, बहुत बड़ी बात है। देवियों और सज्जनों, जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं सब के लिए। And I'm also going to request Manoj Ji Mehta to please make a special announcement on this occasion.
So, Governor Sir, Your Excellency, हमारे जीतों में वेरियस प्रोजेक्ट चलते रहते हैं। इसी की तहत हमने लास्ट 1.5 साल के अंदर चेयरमैन की लीडरशिप के अंदर हमने एजुकेशन के ऊपर एक बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट शुरू किया। लास्ट ईयर उसको लॉन्च किया और इस साल उसको हम एक टारगेट था हमारा कि 250 मेंबर 54 लाख के पूरे हो जाए। तो चेयरमैन सर की लीडरशिप में उन्होंने ये कंप्लीट किया है और अकेले के बलबूते पे किया है। मैं सभी मेंबर, सभी लीडर्स को सबको बताना चाहता हूँ, मैं लास्ट 3 दिन से उनके साथ हूँ। 6-6, 7-7 घंटे सिर्फ मेंबर्स को फ़ोन करके उनके कंफर्मेशन, फोटो सबके साथ में, और 117 मेंबर लास्ट 15 दिन के अंदर कंप्लीट किया उन्होंने। एंड वी आर रियली थ्रिल्ड एंड हॉनर्ड सर कि ये 117 मेंबर 54 लाख के रेडी होके 63 करोड़ का चेक। आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट हितेश भाई जोशी जो हमारे जीतो एजुकेशन असिस्टेंस फंड प्रोग्राम के उनके चेयरमैन है, हितेश भाई प्लीज, और सतीश भाई हिरन इफ यू अराउंड प्लीज। ये अभी तक का जो भी प्रोजेक्ट बने हैं उसमें बहुत सारे इस साल में भी काम हुए हैं, लेकिन एक दिन में इतने लोग जुड़ने ये अपने आप में रिकॉर्ड है। हितेश भाई प्लीज, सतीश भाई, गवर्नर के हाथ से आप इसको प्लीज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद
हितेश भाई।
प्रणाम, जय जिनेंद्र। आई थिंक मैं सुखराज जी आपके लिए जितना कहूँ उतना कम है। 135 करोड़ रुपए का कमिटमेंट ये 250 मेंबर बना के उन्होंने आने वाले हज़ारों बच्चों के लिए कितने साल चलेगा मुझे पता नहीं है, बट उनके लिए सपोर्ट आपने खड़ा किया है। बहुत बहुत अनुमोदना आपकी एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच। थैंक यू।
गवर्नर सर, ये अमाउंट हम बच्चों को एजुकेट करने के लिए देते हैं, इंटरेस्ट फ्री लोन देते हैं, नो कोई कोलेट्रल नहीं, कोई उनका पीडीसी चेक नहीं, हम उनको देते हैं और जब भी वो वापस करना चाहे वापस कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू सर।
Thank you, Manoj Mehta. I request the office bearers to please stay with us on stage, and I request the Honourable Chief Guest, Honourable Governor Sir, please do address the gathering, sir.
Of Bhagavad Mata, the most powerful and the most merciful. Our event organized by Jain International Trade Organization, JITO, at the Geo Convention Center, Mumbai, on this day, 21st September 2024. In this year, we put Seva, knowledge, economic empowerment. We all know the Jain community is the single largest community in the country who offer so many seva programs for the rest of the society. The seva without any expectation, the seva with 100% sacrifice, the seva to the needy will be fulfilled only when you are economically empowered with knowledge. So, in the right direction, this JITO has been traveling to empower the members of this association for the betterment of the society. Unless otherwise you are economically powerful, unless otherwise you are economically fulfilled, when some needy people come in, you cannot go voluntarily and offer them the help. That is the real seva. I am always insisting that living for yourself is not wrong. Living for only yourself is totally wrong. We have to grow so that we can contribute to the society. We have to grow so that the needy people will get helped by us. We have to grow to take the others also in that successful journey. That is why ultimate aim of the JITO, and you are doing it very well. And on this occasion, Jai Jinendra Mahavir is a great saint who led the nation in the Ahimsa way. But I don't know how many of you know that one time the southern state, my native state, Tamil Nadu, was following Jainism. That every 2/3 of the Tamils were following Jainism. Could you believe it? All the great kings are following the Jainism that was known as Samanam in Tamil. Samanam is nothing but Jainism. There is one great Tamil poet just 22 kilometers away from my home, Kunguveli, who has done a wonderful epic, Perungadai. Even today, one small village known as Chinapuram, where you can even find that old Jain temple even today. Recently, when I was governor of Jharkhand, I opened a place to stay for the Tamil-speaking Jains. Even today, there are 40,000 Jains in Tamil Nadu whose mother tongue is nothing but Tamil. So, the preachings of Mahavir not only influenced in the north, it has influenced the entire country. That is what we have to understand. The goodness not to harm anybody. Not to harm anybody, it is easy to say, but it is the most difficult task in life to follow. That has been followed by the Jains. That is the greatness of all of you was India. When the name Gandhilal was announced, then immediately to me, my good friend was the treasurer of Bharatiya Janata Party Tamil Nadu for 25 years. In those days, there is no donation for Bharatiya Janata Party. Nobody wanted to associate with Bharatiya Janata Party in Tamil Nadu. Those days, he was the treasurer for 25 consecutive years. And recently, 4 years back, he is no more with us, unfortunately. He was my good friend who contributed his maximum earning for the organization in those days. That's why Bharatiya Janata Party was able to survive in Tamil Nadu. So, Sri Gandharajis of Oswal, President Jitho, Sukraj Nagar, Chairman Jitho, and Sri Monos Mehta, Secretary Jitho, and my dear brothers and sisters who are assembled here. It is the privilege to be here today at this Abgar event organized by Jitho to celebrate the remarkable achievements of this outstanding organization. I would like to extend my heartiest congratulations to each and every one of you who has contributed to the immense success of Jitho during these 18 years. An organization who is helping in trade continuously, successfully for 18 years is a great achievement. I really appreciate you. This name of this event, Aapka, meaning gratitude, speaks volumes about the values that drive Jitho. Gratitude is a powerful force that helps us acknowledge the support and contributions of others. And I believe today is a day to celebrate not only the accomplishments but also the spirit of service that lies at the heart of this organization. Jitho stands as a testament to the power of vision, collaboration and commitment. With over 70 chapters in India and 29 international chapters and 40,000 plus members, Jitho is a shining example of how collective effort can create a positive impact not just within a community but across the nation and the world. So your efforts are not that easy. Your efforts are the most outstanding. I appreciate all your efforts. The achievements of Jitho over the past 2 years are truly commendable. I am aware of the strides made in expanding membership, empowering youth and women, and fostering an environment where business can thrive through initiatives like Jitho Business Network, JPN, JATF, Saravan Arogyam, and the Jitho Educational Assistance Program, which was well explained when I came to the dais. your efforts during the pandemic providing oxygen, food and medical supplies to those in need, and your timely support during crises such as the Pulwama attack and natural calamities like the Kerala floods demonstrate Jitto's unwavering commitment to the social welfare and humanitarian services. These initiatives reflect the core joint principles of non-violence, compassion, and selfless service. Service is there, but selfless service is very rare. That is to be appreciated. Jitto has shown that when business and individuals came together with the right intent and purpose, they can contribute to the greater good of society while simultaneously achieving professional and personal growth. Your initiatives in education, healthcare, business networking, and philanthropy are helping to build a brighter and more inclusive future. As we look ahead, I encourage Jitto to continue its mission with the same zeal and commitment. I have no doubt that your dedication to learn, aim and return will continue to inspire and uplift countless individuals and communities. The strength of your organization lies in the unity, and I am confident that Jitto will continue to create lasting positive change in the society. In conclusion, I would like to express my deepest appreciation to Jitto for its invaluable contributions to the economical, social and cultural fabric of our country. Your efforts are a source of pride not only for the Jain community but for the entire nation. You are the leading light in the nation's progress. I look forward to seeing Jitto reach even greater heights in the years to come. Thank you for your invitation, and I extend my best wishes for everyone that you all must get every wealth, health and happiness in your life, and the continued success of Jitto, and for the prosperity and well-being of everyone. Dhanyavad. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Bharat.